What is up, everybody? This is Riding Insane, and we are back in the Hyperbolic Time Chamber episode number... I really don't know. You guys can probably see it. I don't know at this moment, but it's in the title, so you guys can just read the number in there. Whether it's 1, 2, 3, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12... I don't know. I have no idea. Anyways, welcome to the Hyperbolic Time Chamber. I am Riding Insane. This is Kakarot. This is going to be a short and sweet video with baby Kakarot, and what we're going to be doing in this video is Motodynamics related. So you guys know how much I love this company. This company was actually the company that kind of kicked off the build series for us. It was kind of the nudge that I needed to do this. But in this quick little build series episode, what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be working with these headlights. These headlights, again, if you guys haven't seen the episode, I think it's episode number 2 where we got these headlights. These headlights change the entire look of the R6. And I feel like with these headlights, it kind of makes this R6 look like the current generation of motorcycles. And by current generation of motorcycles, I mean our beautiful little Broly here with her LED lights. And I feel like having those LED lights on Kakarot kind of puts her in line with bikes like these. Anywho, so that's what we're going to be doing today. It's going to be a very quick and easy install, but I'm actually going to be doing an oil change and all sorts of things like that. But I showed you guys that process when I was doing Nimbus, and I feel like you guys don't need to see more content of me doing stuff off the bike. So if you guys follow me on Riding Insane on Instagram, then you guys will see the process of me changing the oil and working on the other bike, doing small things like removing this and whatnot. But as always, I drone on way too long. So this is the bike, those are the headlights. We're going to be changing them. What we're going to be doing is showing you how these headlights work right now, and then I'm going to show you guys something we're going to be adding to these headlights to make them even more awesome. As you guys can see, beautiful looking headlights. This is the bike's off right now, so you can kind of see the design. So as soon as the bike is not turned on, we just turn on the key, these LED lights turn on. So let me show you guys. So we got the beautiful LED lights on. They're actually white, and it shows in the camera it's blue. So I'm sorry about that, but I don't know how to fix that. So one of the cool things we're going to be doing today is in this little baggie right here. So the goal of this, adding this thing onto the R6 to Kakarot, the cool thing is going to be is that whenever I want to go to left or right turn signals, these lights are actually going to blink. Now I don't remember exactly how the function works, if it's just the strip or if it's the 3 lights or if it's just one at a time. I'm not sure exactly, but you guys will see. The link from Motodynamics on how to install is going to be in the description below. This is not an install video, this is just to show it off and to kind of share this product with you guys and show it off on Kakarot. So full detail installation down below, which I'm going to be following as well. So currently on the bike, what we have is I turned it on, so the bike isn't on, it's just the one turn key or whatever. So we have that light on right there, the daytime running lights. If we're going to the left or to the right actually, we have one flush mount here from Motodynamics that blinks like crazy. That ticking sound you're hearing is showing off the back LED strip that I added to the peg. So the passenger pegs both have an LED strip that also blinks. It blinks red. It shows it off as kind of like oranges, but it's actually a dark red and it's really nice. And then we have a turn signal LED smoke tail light in the back that also shows that we're going to the right. So we have 1, 2, 3 things, right? That's 3, right? Yeah, 3 things that indicate that we're going to the right. For the entire world, for me, it's just this one thing in the front. So the coolest thing is gonna be with this is that now everyone from the sides know what we're doing. Everyone in the back knows exactly what we're doing because of the setup that we have. But currently nobody knows what's gonna be happening in the front. So hopefully with this mod, now people will see if we're going left and right also from the front. So let me unbox it, or let me just show you guys the wires. Then I'm gonna take off the bike, put it on. I'll show you a light installation and then we'll close the bike, share it with you. We'll go out for a ride and I show it to you how it looks like out in the open. All right, so this is the module thing we're gonna be adding to the headlights itself. So yeah, good thing I watched the video because I was first thinking this is gonna be going near the flush mounts, but it actually isn't. It's gonna go somewhere in this area. We're just gonna take apart a wire thingy and put this in the middle and just connect the wires. So it should be a very basic install. So that's why, again, link in the description, or just link in the description below of how to install this. We'll do a dry run and whatnot. So I'll see what I can show you guys. But overall, once we include this, then we're gonna have some awesomeness happening with the headlights. All right, guys, so I took off the panel that's on this side. This black little panel goes right there, so took that off. And then there's supposed to be a wire in here that connects to the headlights. Funny thing is that I saw their video and they have everything so nicely, you know, tucked in this area. And then I'm like, hey, where's the wire? Where's the wire? And then my dumbass actually has a wire down here. So my wire is here because I guess that's how I routed it. So some of the wire stays down here under there in that area, and the rest of the wires are here. But basically, I'm gonna take this little wire right here, I'm gonna open it, and in the middle of it, I'm just gonna connect this. That's all you have to do. This is one of the easiest installs ever for a module that's gonna make awesome badassness come out of the headlights. So that's all I'm gonna do, is go ahead and connect these and then route the wires correctly, and then do the same exact thing on the other side, and then I'll show you guys the end project, or the end product. All right, guys, we are back. I've installed the module right here. This thing is right in there. So what you have to do is you have to find the Motodynamic headlight connector thingy that has one red wire and then one red, white, and black wire. You open that and then you put the Motodynamic module in between. Same thing on this side, there's less wires. There's only one right here. I left the module up here. I'm gonna zip tie it down. So that's how I connected it. I'm gonna first close everything up and then show you guys how it looks, and we'll go for a quick ride and show you guys how it looks out in the world, out in the open nature. Project is complete. This has been the easiest build series episode like ever in the history of any of the bikes that we worked on. So it works. So we have the lights. That's pretty amazing. That's pretty awesome. I can't believe it. These headlights are already badass, but now you have another reason. If you don't have these, you now have another reason to buy these so you can have this super cool functionality. Blinking rate, just to let you guys know, is dependent on how you set up your lights. So mine, it's basically going off of that one, that right there, and the ones in the back. So they're all flashing at the same damn time on the same exact rate. And it works. So everything is working as expected. Now we're gonna go out for a ride and then test that out in the sunlight. So I'll see you guys out on the streets.
So we were just in a hyperbolic time chamber. Now we're out on the road to see this beast in person. Cause yeah, I understand. We already showed you guys how it looks like, the Motodynamic awesome headlights and a little bit extra footage, but I wanted to show you guys in person, outside in the real world, how does it look like. Oil is all clean and whatnot, everything's looking good. So I wanted to blaze it just a bit to make sure everything's running well. Everything is. So let's do a quick little demo and then I'll let you guys go and enjoy your life. And she's getting angry, so let's do it quick. You can do this as soon as the Motodynamic lights are on. You can close the bike, just like not all the way, but just kill switch it and the lights will stay on. That's what we're gonna do. But if I make it off, then you can't see it. There's a quick little glimpse of it outside in the world. It's like 7 a.m. right now, but it is bright as hell. So you got the LED lights flashing, left one, and then we got the right one flashing. Yeah, so that's how it looks. So if you're in front of me, now you know which lane I'm turning into or where my bike's headed. You won't have to look at that little small little thing, the flush mounts. But yeah, I just wanted to give you guys a small little demo. Remember to subscribe only because you love me. Because baby, I love you.